Hey there, welcome to the Great North Gardener. We're here to help you kickstart and craft an awesome garden for your home. Today we're taking you on a virtual trip to the Dominion Arboretum in Ottawa, Canada. This place is nothing short of a haven for all you nature buffs and green thumbs out there. This place popped up in the late 1800s and shows just how much Canada cares about keeping its plant life diverse and thriving. It's packed with an array of trees and plants, but the real wow factor: the cherry blossom trees that paint the Arboretum pink every spring. These beauties, a gift from Japan, have become a beacon of friendship between the countries and a total magnet for tourists. But the Dominion Arboretum isn't just about its gorgeous greenery. It's a living, breathing museum, a hub for research, and a serene sanctuary smack dab in the middle of the city. Now that you've got the 411 on the Dominion Arboretum, let's check out the different types of trees and plants that call this place home. One of the Arboretum's most captivating sights is the cherry blossom trees. These majestic beauties stand out with their delicate pink blossoms that appear to float in the air, creating a dreamy landscape that feels like something out of a fairy tale. The cherry blossom trees, or sakura as they are known in Japan, are not just visually arresting, they also carry a significant cultural symbolism. In Japanese culture, these trees represent the fleeting nature of life, as their blooms last for only a short period. This poignant symbolism has made cherry blossoms a popular subject in art, literature, and even in philosophical discussions. At the Dominion Arboretum, the cherry blossoms usually bloom in late April or early May, heralding the arrival of spring. This period is eagerly anticipated by locals and visitors alike, who flock to the park to witness the breathtaking spectacle of the cherry trees in full bloom. There's something magical about strolling under the canopy of pink blossoms, with petals gently falling around you like soft pink snowflakes. The cherry blossom trees in the Arboretum are not all the same. There are several varieties, each with its unique characteristics. Some trees have single-layered petals, while others boast double layers. Some blossoms are pale pink, almost white, while others are a deeper, more vibrant hue. The variety adds to the visual feast, making each tree a unique sight to behold. These trees play a significant role in the park's ecosystem. They provide shelter and food for various bird species and insects. Additionally, their roots help stabilize the soil, preventing erosion and maintaining the health of the park. In the Dominion Arboretum, the cherry blossom trees are more than just a beautiful spectacle. They are a symbol of the park's commitment to preserving and showcasing the beauty of nature in all its forms. They serve as a reminder of the impermanence of life and the importance of appreciating the beauty around us while we can. Cherry blossom trees are just the beginning. There's an array of other trees and plants that thrive in this park. As we continue our journey through the Arboretum, you'll discover a world of greenery that will captivate your senses and leave you in awe of nature's splendor. Opening. The Dominion Arboretum is home to a wide variety of trees. Let's dive into the diverse world of trees residing in the Dominion Arboretum. A walk through the Arboretum is like taking a global tour, as the trees hail from all corners of the world. First, we have the majestic oak trees, a symbol of strength and endurance. These trees, some of which are over 100 years old, are a testament to the Arboretum's long-standing history. Among the oaks, the English oak stands out with its broad, spreading crown and robust trunk, a sight that truly encapsulates the essence of grandeur. Next, we have the charming maples. As Canada's national tree, it's no surprise that a variety of maples, including the sugar maple and red maple, have found a home here. These trees are known for their vibrant autumn hues, painting the Arboretum with shades of orange, yellow, and red when the season arrives. The Dominion Arboretum also showcases an impressive collection of pine trees. From white pine to red pine, these evergreens add a touch of permanence to the landscape, their needles staying green throughout the year. Not to forget, their cones are a source of food for the wildlife inhabiting the Arboretum. Then, there's the unique ginkgo biloba, also known as the maidenhair tree. This tree is a living fossil, with a lineage dating back more than 200 million years. It's truly a sight to behold, especially in the fall, when its fan-shaped leaves turn a stunning golden yellow. Let's not forget the weeping willows that add an element of grace to the Arboretum with their long, drooping branches. These trees are often found near water bodies, their reflection creating a mesmerizing sight in the water. In addition to these, the Arboretum houses a multitude of other trees, each with their own unique characteristics, adding to the diverse tapestry of the Dominion Arboretum. Closing. Trees are not the only inhabitants of the Arboretum, there's also an impressive collection of other plants. Beyond its trees, the Arboretum also hosts an array of plants. The Dominion Arboretum is not just a showcase of towering trees, but a haven for a variety of plants, each with its own unique story. Take a moment to imagine a stroll through the Arboretum. Along the way, you would see a diverse array of plants, from the lush ground cover to the vibrant flowers that dot the landscape. Every plant, whether it's a delicate fern or a robust shrub, plays a vital role in the Arboretum's ecosystem. One of the most prevalent plant types found here is the perennial. These plants, which return year after year, provide a consistent sense of familiarity and comfort. They include species like the goldenrod, which lights up the Arboretum with its bright yellow flowers in late summer, and the asters, which add a dash of purple to the autumn landscape. Then there are the annuals, the plants that live for just one season. They might not be there for long, but they certainly know how to make an impact. The sunflowers, for instance, are hard to miss with their tall stalks and large sunny faces. And let's not forget the marigolds, with their fiery orange and yellow blooms that bring a touch of the tropics to the Arboretum. But it's not just about the flowers. The Arboretum is also home to a variety of grasses and ferns. These plants might not be as showy as their flowering counterparts, but they are essential to the ecosystem. They provide shelter for small creatures, contribute to the soil's health, and add texture and depth to the landscape. And finally, we have the herbs. These plants not only add a touch of green to the Arboretum, but they also carry a delightful array of scents. From the minty freshness of peppermint to the earthy aroma of sage, these plants are a treat for the senses. Each of these plants, with their unique characteristics and roles, come together to create a rich and diverse tapestry of life in the Dominion Arboretum. They provide food and shelter for a variety of creatures, contribute to the health of the environment, and delight visitors with their beauty and fragrance. These plants and trees make the Dominion Arboretum a vibrant and diverse ecosystem. Arboretums like the Dominion Arboretum play a crucial role in our environment. Delving into this, arboretums are essentially living museums, filled with a diverse range of trees and shrubs. They provide a sanctuary for a wide variety of species, helping to preserve biodiversity. In an era where deforestation and urbanization are rampant, arboretums serve as a beacon of hope, allowing us to conserve and showcase the precious plant life that graces our planet. The Dominion Arboretum, for instance, is home to over 1,700 different species of trees and shrubs, each with its own unique attributes and survival mechanisms. This biodiversity is not just for show, it serves a functional role in providing a habitat for a myriad of wildlife, from birds and insects to mammals and reptiles. These diverse species interact in a complex web of life, each playing their part in maintaining the balance of nature. It's like a symphony where each instrument plays its part to create a harmonious melody. This biodiversity is absolutely essential for the health of our ecosystems, and arboretums like the Dominion Arboretum help to preserve this delicate balance. But arboretums are not just about preserving biodiversity and providing a habitat for wildlife. They also serve as an educational resource for the public. They're like outdoor classrooms where people of all ages can come to learn about the wonders of nature. At the Dominion Arboretum, you can learn about everything from the life cycle of a tree to the importance of pollinators. This educational aspect is crucial in fostering an appreciation for nature and promoting conservation efforts. After all, we can only truly appreciate and protect what we understand. In conclusion, arboretums like the Dominion Arboretum are more than just collections of trees. They are living, breathing ecosystems that play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity, providing a habitat for wildlife, and educating the public about the importance of nature. The Dominion Arboretum is a testament to the beauty and importance of nature. The Dominion Arboretum is a treasure trove of natural beauty and diversity. It's a living library, where each tree, each bloom, each leaf tells its own tale. We've journeyed through the blush of cherry blossoms, a spectacle that paints the Arboretum in a cloud of pink each spring. We've explored the diversity of the Arboretum's tree collection, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. From the towering conifers to the humble shrubs, each one contributes to the Arboretum's rich tapestry. We've also delved into the lush world of plants, each with its unique role in the ecosystem. And finally, we've touched on the significance of arboretums, not just as repositories of plant species, but as vital green spaces that nourish our planet and our souls. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Dominion Arboretum. We hope you've learned something new and perhaps feel inspired to visit and explore this remarkable place yourself.